Huawei seems to have an insatiable desire to create car-themed phones, as is apparent with previous devices such as the Huawei Mate 10 Porsche edition. Today, we spotted a Rolls Royce edition of the upcoming Honor Note 10 which will likely be released with the primary device. Like its predecessor, the Honor Note 10 Rolls Royce edition will be limited edition. Some leaked images indicate that it'll sport a Rolls Royce logo on the rear. The device will very likely sport the same specifications as the top Honor Note 10 variant. Earlier this year at MWC, we saw Huawei drive an actual Porsche using the AI capabilities of their Kirin 970 chipset. Hopefully, we get to see something similar with the Honor Note 10 and a Rolls Royce. The Honor Note 10 Rolls Royce edition ventures into phablet territory with its massive 6.9-inch AMOLED panel. The panel has a resolution of 1440p, the 18th of May 2019 to 9 aspect ratio, and is one of the few devices that'll ship without the dreaded notch that seems to be going around. Huawei appears to have trimmed some of the bezels on all sides to allow for a pretty impressive screen-to-body ratio. The material of choice is either going to be glass or ceramic because a metal back would disallow wireless charging. The Honor Note 10 Rolls Royce edition will have the same glossy silver finish to it, the only difference being the addition of a Rolls Royce logo. It's good to see that Honor is finally catching up with premium Huawei devices under the hood. The Honor Note 10 will use the same silicon Kirin 970 SoC, coupled with an ARM Mali G72MP12 GPU, that's been a staple in most Huawei Honor phones. Considering that this is a maxed-out version of the Honor Note 10, 8GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage can't be ruled out. The primary camera is likely to be the standard 24 plus 16 megapixels with PTAF, electronic image stabilization, 4K 30fps video recording and all the AI-powered features that we've seen in previous Huawei Honor devices. The absence of 4K 60fps video recording and OIS isn't surprising, as we've seen said features only in flagship-tier devices. The secondary camera is a 24-megapixel lens complete with AI-assisted portrait mode and more. Other features include support for 4G VO LTE, 802.11b/G/N/AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, a USB Type-C port, GPS, Bluetooth, GLONASS and Near Blaster. There'll be a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner positioned right below the dual-camera setup. The battery is expected to be a 6,000 mAh behemoth complete with support for Honor Supercharge fast charging technology. The Honor Note 10 Rolls Royce edition will ship with Android Oreo 8.1 customized with MU 8.0 on top. Expected price: we don't know much about the Honor Note 10 will cost exactly, but one source estimates that it'll be around the $1,500 Rs. 1,02,393 mark. Prima facie, that price seems absurd for an Honor device, and it will obviously be much lower. The Honor Note 10 is expected to release on 26th of July in China, and the Rolls Royce edition could be unveiled alongside it.